Assalamualaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I'm your math teacher. Today I deliver a lecture from page number 11. Find the relationship between each pair of set A and B. Write the result symbolically. First, a set A, element A, E, U, and the set B, vowel of English alphabet. Now, if each element of set A is also an element of another set B, then set A is called subset of set B. The symbol of subset is denoted by a subset. Now I write there now A subset B. Finite set. A finite set contains a finite or limited number of elements. For example, a set A, element 1, 2, 3, 4, limited numbers. Now, question number 5, part 2, unit set. A unit set is a set contain only one element. A's unit set also called a singleton. For example, a set only one element, 1. अगर किसी स्टूडेंट को किसी किस्म की भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्वेश्चन समझ में, प्लीज़ इन्फॉर्म अस.